I wanted to talk a little bit today about this Alpha Wolf conversion barrel. It turns my Glock 23 into a 9mm. Pretty cool. I took it to the range. Man, I put like 200 rounds through it. And man, it was flawless. No hiccup at all. I was kind of iffy about it. I was thinking, man, this thing is gonna jam. The recoil spring is a little bit too strong. I'm gonna have some hang-ups, maybe some failures to feed, but nothing, guys. This thing, it took every ammo and spit it out. Just like it was reliable, just like any Glock barrel. It was fantastic. I love it. I mean, I still, when I go, I mean, I don't use it as a self-defense. It's just cheaper to use at the range. I think I paid like $130. Very nice. It comes well packaged. Very nice. In case y'all want to see the back. Very nice. Now I was kind of I always wanted to get one of these, but they only had it like in silver, and I didn't like the silver, you know. So when they came out with the Alpha Wolf and I seen it was black, I was like, yes. Yeah, you could tell I used it. It already got the little Glock smile on it. And it's very nice. I do gotta clean it up a little bit, but very nice, man. This thing works. It was flawless, beautiful. I mean, I wouldn't keep it in my Glock as like a self-defense, but it could be. I mean, it ran flawless. I trust my life with it. If I forgot to switch out the barrel and I went out the door, I wouldn't turn around to switch it up. I'll keep going because that sucker was flawless. No shells to the face. It was great. Glock 23 right there, Gen 4. I do got the little stainless steel pins. I use Federal. Just in case you're wondering, I think this is HSTs, and when I switched to 9mm, I used the Hornady Critical Duty Plus Ps. I use Plus P just because, you know, when I switched the barrel, I used the Plus P because the spring on the 23 is a little more harder than the 19 because, you know, you gun guys know. I don't want to make this video too long, but this thing is great. I don't know. Y'all might want to see it go in. Let me see. I'm kind of working with one hand here. And just like that, it fits in there great. Point in a safe direction. Yeah, like my little skull. And it works great. And it's not loose. You can't even move this sucker in the front. You literally can't even move it. It fits like a glove. And it works great. Well, anyway, thanks for your time, guys. I like to keep my videos kind of under 5 minutes because nobody wants to watch a long video. But thanks a lot. Appreciate y'all. And God bless America. And have a great day. This Alpha Wolf barrel, I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. Sorry about the glare, guys. Highly recommend it. Highly.